Oh, good morning. We're going to wire a LAN plug, RJ45, in the B pattern. B pattern is 568B is first 1 pin orange white, 2 orange, 3 green white, 4 blue, 5 blue white, 6 green, 7 brown white, and 8 brown. Okay, some people say, oh, I'm making a patch cable. Like, here's a patch cable. If they're the same on both ends, it'll work. Yes, of course it will work. Well, the first thing you do is you split all the pairs anyway. Everyone has a different way of doing it. Some people will cut back the wire at 3/4 and then cut off. Sometimes I do that. Or sometimes they will try and cut it at about 15 millimeters like I've cut here now. If you're not familiar, put the chart, which I even put the chart with me myself if I haven't done it for a while. You're mixed up with doing B. Try and keep them very straight like this. Straighten them out like that with your nail. And brown. Brown is going to be the last one. We all know orange is the first one. Now, so I usually go from number 8 to I think I'll start at number 8. So I'll start at the full brown. I haven't opened out the blue one yet. Don't forget to put your caps on beforehand if you're on the second one. And then we get full green. I call it full green and full brown. When I say full, and the best thing is the correct one is white and brown. So it's brown and white, green. This is in reverse now, and then blue and white, which I call half white, half blue, and then full blue. And try and keep them nice and tidy like this. I'm going to trim them off a little bit with the scissors before we put them into the plug. And then we have green and white before the orange colors. And then full orange. Back around this way. Full orange and white. Have them out like that, and you can push them in slowly. I use a sharp chisel to get a nice sharp end on them. Brown one is going very close to the brown and white. Then you pick up your plug, and with the brass teeth facing you, that's the way it is. So it's orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and brown, and that is 568B colors. And you put them in like this. And you might have to wiggle them around a little bit, but if you put them in correct the first time, you can check them, and then you just push them in slowly like that. Now you can check them here then. Let's see there. I can't really focus in this. Anyway, I'm checking them there, and they're all correct. So then make sure they're gone right in the whole way. then you put your crimping tool over the top of it like this. You see the crimping coming out here, and you squeeze. Make sure they're touching the teeth. If you have a good one of these, it will be fairly accurate. Now it's pushing the brass teeth in, grabbing the wires. You can also see the colors of the wires here. Okay, and you just squeeze in the whole way. And then you can check your wiring again here. I can see mine are all fine. Basically, two wires cannot go into one channel going in through there. So once it slides in, unless one gets crossed over with another one, you're very, very unlikely you have done anything wrong. And then you pull the boot back up over it there like that then. And that's your, not over it like that, over it like that. Like that. And that is my jumper cable made. This is called a patch cable, where you have the same colors on both ends. Thank you for watching my short video. Please subscribe or comment or like or hate or do something. Thank you.